Imagine you are baking a cake and you have two different sets of ingredients from your parents' recipe books. One parent loves adding chocolate while the other prefers vanilla. When you bake your cake, you mix the ingredients from both recipes, creating a new flavor that has hints of both chocolate and vanilla. This is a fun way to understand genetics. Just like baking, genetics is all about mixing ingredients from both parents to create something unique. Genes. Think of genes as the instructions for building your body, just like a recipe is for baking a cake. For example, the gene for eye color is like a specific recipe that determines whether you have blue, green, or brown eyes. DNA. DNA is like the cookbook that holds all of your body's recipes. If you opened up your cookbook, you'd find instructions for everything from your hair type to your blood type. Chromosomes. These are the chapters in your cookbook, and inside each chapter are different genes. Humans have 23 chapters from their mother and 23 from their father, making a total of 46 chapters or chromosomes. Alleles. Let's say your dad's recipe book has instructions for brown eyes, while your mom's book has instructions for blue eyes. These different versions of the gene are called alleles. Depending on which recipe your body follows, your eye color will be brown, blue, or a mix. Dominant and recessive traits. Some recipes are more powerful than others. For example, if one parent passes down the recipe for brown eyes, a dominant trait, and the other passes down the recipe for blue eyes, a recessive trait, you will likely end up with brown eyes because the brown eye recipe is stronger. Example, let's say you inherited curly hair from your mom and straight hair from your dad. If curly hair is the dominant trait, you will likely have curly hair even though you carry the gene for straight hair from your dad. In another case, if both parents give you the recipe for blue eyes, a recessive trait, you will end up with blue eyes. Now here's a question for you. What are alleles? Different versions of a gene, a type of hair, a recipe for food, or a chapter in a book? Share your thoughts and reasons in the comment box, and we will see you in the next video.